Good day everyone. Today we're going to be talking about laser processing and manufacturing, specifically going from concept to commercial success. A lot of the customers we work with are developing a new product with a vision for how they want it to perform, look, feel, and if all goes well, manufacturing in the near future with commercial success. Leveraging state-of-the-art laser processing can often be a great way to support both product development and manufacturing, but where do you start? Perhaps you've Googled laser cutting, drilling, welding, and called up a few laser manufacturers to see if there's a potential solution. But what's next? Well, you could buy an off-the-shelf laser machine, and sometimes this is the right path because what you're doing is very standardized in the industry. Maybe you need something specialized, in which case you could build your own laser tool. But most of the times when we're working with new products, this is the worst path. And it leads to what's known in the industry as the valley of death. This could be anything from poor quality parts, the wrong laser choice, insufficient throughput, inaccurate time estimates, or low repeatability. Ultimately, this means a loss of time, money, resources, which could potentially lead to the failure of the entire product development. The good news is that if you understand this and equipped with the right expertise, you can build a bridge over this valley. And this is exactly what we do at Turner Laser Systems in partnership with Owens Design, who've been mastering technology transfer for 37 years now. In most cases, we often recommend a three-phase approach to our customers, where phase one's working out what laser, if any, because sometimes laser's not the right solution, evaluating different laser wavelengths, powers, pulse durations, beam delivery, and many other flavors of this technology. We often partner with laser manufacturers in this first phase, and in addition to laser fundamentals, we also consider the impact each different laser has on the eventual solution from both a technical and business perspective. Next is phase two, which we say is making your part to specification. This means having a part in your hands that aligns with the vision for your product. Now, this is challenging because it often involves not only a great deal of expertise in laser processing, but also precision motion, complex software programming, materials handling, and sometimes post-processing. And machine builders really struggle with this stage because it's very research-based and deep on the laser processing side. Laser suppliers refuse to do this because they want to focus on making great lasers, and high-end contract manufacturers, assuming they have the right laser in their shop, can often do a great job on the processing of the parts, but they're a bit of a black box solution, which means you don't get to understand the technology that you're relying on, and this is going to limit your ability to cross that valley. At Turner Laser Systems, we love this phase because it allows us to combine our internal expertise in lasers as well as work with our partnering company Owens Design, who have mastered precision systems integration. And then finally is phase three, where we qualify the process for manufacturing. Now, depending on the stage of the product development cycle, sometimes the tool's built first, or the customers do this within their own facility. But we always recommend at some point to go through qualification, looking at yield, throughput, and repeatability. Now, it's at this point where we can revisit the question, what's the right tool for the job? And this is the reason why for these applications we offer a customized platform rather a specific product, as we believe this leads to a much more valuable tool and outcome to our customers. When we say standardized platform, we standardize on things such as the mechanical frames, the enclosures, electronics, controls, and software. But then all that effort we put together with the customers in phases number 1, 2, and 3 now goes into making sure that the core features of the platform, in other words, the laser and the beam delivery, are configured to achieve that manufacturing success. And this is how you end up with the right tool for the job. Now, besides the laser processing side of manufacturing, we often combine lasers with robotics, roll-to-roll systems, vision inspection, wafer handling, and other automation technologies, and that's exactly what Owens Design excel at and where they step in. So if you're looking at getting into the laser processing world and looking for a partner that will help identify your valley of death and become your development through delivery partner, please reach out to us here at Turner Laser Systems.